Dear aspirants, NET UGC exam admit card is available now for December 2023. So you can browse your online Google Chrome and please download while typing UGC NET exam admit card 2023 and go through the official website UGC NET. Scroll down the options, click on the proper website and go for the UGC Grand Commission NET India. After that you have to scroll down and I have given below link in this last of description videos. So please go through that. Please enter your user ID and password, which is application number and passwords. Enter the proper captcha and then go to download option. Download your admit card. Complete 3 pages. So last page, please be alert in that. Don't put any signature before the exam halls. Only you can put signature in front of invigilators. So you have to do it carefully. And sometimes there is mistakes or you can say some issue with the UGC net where the address is given but center name is not located. So please re-download again and it will be available in that. And be calm and don't be hesitate to ask any doubt over there. Without their instruction, don't do anything unnecessary. And you can start reaching to your center and write. Let me know any difficulties, how was the question papers and how it was the better for you and how did you find it was easy, difficult or moderate level of question patterns. So I'm showing the screen here how the admit card look like. So you can see with the screens. Admit card everyone can download before 1 or 2 days of your exam date. Thank you. So thank you guys, thank you so much for watching our video. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel for latest update. Thank you aspirants.